What up?
And then this is Dina, husband and wife, my neighbor over here.
Oh yeah.
And this is the first time having the greatest chicken on earth, the black chicken. So if you never had it, you're missing out. All right, Michael. Michael, what was your opinion?
First impressions? I mean, it tastes like chicken. You cooked it really well, though. I mean, the skin is interesting because it's a little bit thicker. And I mean, it doesn't. It's like, oh no, black chicken, but it tastes really good. It's really awesome, man. I didn't know something like this existed, but this is awesome.
Oh, I also got your smoked pork upstairs. It's actually the ribs, the pork belly. So I'm gonna give it to you after this.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm about to try it out.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Dina, did you try your meat yet?
Oh yeah. I've been picking away at this the breast piece here. This is absolutely gorgeous. I really didn't expect it to be like really black, like all the way to the bone.
The
too.
bones. Yep.
Super. Yeah, that's crazy. Is it so the eggs come out black too as well?